Hey students, this is a tutorial to show you how to create a project using Adobe Express iPad app. So this is not on the web, it's slightly different when it's on the app. So first of all, you get to this opening screen, and I'm going to click the purple circle at the bottom that says create a new project, or that's what that button is for. And then I'm going to choose something on here. So I usually start with solid color, so the top left one. So I'm just going to start with the solid color. This isn't the color that I want, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose a white black background. So I'm going to choose white, and then I'm going to say next at the bottom. And now I choose a size, so I'm going to keep it square like this, and this square shape is good for me, so I can go along the bottom, and there's lots of different formats and resolutions and sizes that I can choose from. You'll notice that there's different social media formats. There's printing pages. There's some different resolutions along the bottom here. Lots of different choices. So I'm just going to stick with the square one. So I'm going to click done. And then it always comes up with text. So I'm just going to take away the text. So I'm going to click on that. And it's because I'm on the edit tab, I just click delete, and then that's gone. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some images. So I'm going to click on add, and then photos, and then I'm going to go to my photo library. And now, when I'm in my photo library, I have an album here called Form and Background. And so these are the photos that I've taken for a photography assignment, and I'm going to choose 3 or 4 images that I'm going to use for this project. So this Buddha one I really liked because of the light in it. I also liked the contrast of and the perspective of this little clay kiwi. I also wanted to choose this a flower arrangement, and then I'm going to go with maybe this bird in the box. So I'm going to click add 4. I'm going to at the top, and now this here, add as a collage. This would, if I say add as a collage, it's going to separate it's going to place the photos nicely on the page. I don't want to actually do that. I want to have move them freely, so I'm going to choose the right hand option. Okay, and now I have all those pictures, and now it's all about arranging them nicely on the page. So I can click on one, I can adjust it by dragging the handles, and then I can rotate the picture like that. Okay, for this picture, I'm actually going to also make the background black, because I think that'll be a nice, it'll help them pop out. So I'm going to click on the background, and then I'm going to click color, and then choose black. And now straight away you see that made those images pop out. So I'm going to play with some different angles. I really like this box one because I think I feel like it looks three-dimensional almost. Okay, and so I'm just going to play around with where these are on the page. And when I'm happy with it, maybe say I'm happy here. I'm going to click on the down arrow for download. And for this one, I want to click on the top image, the top option. So choose export images. And this means that it'll save that black background as well. If I say transparent images, the background, that black color, would actually be transparent. So now I click download, and that is now saved back to my camera roll on my device.